All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this series. So, what I want to do today is to show you your system type. Now, the applications you're going to download would depend on the system type on your laptop, literally your laptop. So, today is about showing you, and it's a quick video showing you how to check your system type to know if it's going to be 32 bits or 64 bits and how to go about it. Okay. So, right here, I'm going to click on my Windows icon and go to settings. Now, right here, I'm going to scroll down to system. I have them systems. Scroll down to about, and right here, I have the system type. So for me, is 64-bit operating system or x64. Now for 32, it has x86. Okay, so this is very important to know the system type and to know what to download according to your system type. The one for 32 is not going to work. So the 164 is meant for 64. So this is very important. Okay, so hope that was extremely helpful. Thank you very much. Bye for now.